What are you wearing?
Gloves.
Gloves. Pose. Kate, what are you doing?
Setting up.
Setting up what?
Jenga.
Jenga. Alright. Who's gonna play? Versus?
DADA.
And Greyson. Winner gets that blue bike. That one. If I win, I get to keep that bike, right?
This one?
Yeah? Yay, it's mine now. Just kidding. Okay, come on, let's play. Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry
It's
up.
already time, so game on!
Grayson, one more, that's a foul. One more foul. You're out of here. Go back upstairs. Okay? You want to go to the corner?
No.
You see that corner over there? Over here. You
Keep
will
on there.
stand there in that corner.
No.
Yes.
Now.
Then don't break that anymore, okay? Don't break that anymore. The tower. Don't break the tower. Oh, get up. Don't sit there. Grayson, don't sit on that. That'll break. Up, buddy. Sit here, oh. Sit in your chair. Oh, sit in your chair here, oh. Sit here next to Donkey Kong and Toad and Yoshi and Luigi. They're watching also, oh. You're gonna watch. And who's there in the background? The dinosaur. Is he watching too?
Yes.
Playo?
Yes.
Playo, are you watching us? Okay, we have many spectators. Viewers. People watching us play. Okay,
Leo.
finished?
No.
Okay.
It's good morning.